Good morning, student. As in continuation with the same topic, branches of psychology. Today I am going to discuss about the another branch, that is social psychology. Now the term social means when we form interaction with other people or when we connect with other people in the society. So it tend to explore how people are affected by their social environment. Affected means how an individual tend to get influenced by other people and they tend to change their own decision. How people think about and influence others. Social psychologists are interested in such topics as attitude, conformity, and obedience to authority, interpersonal attraction, helpful behavior, prejudice, aggression, social motivation, intergroup relations, and so on. So, children, it means the role of social psychologists is to know how people form their attitude or how do people show obedience to authority. So social psychologists try to understand the interpersonal relation. Interpersonal means ability to understand feeling, motives and behavior of other people. Why do people show aggression? How do people tries to maintain intergroup relation? So these are the functions that is mainly performed by the social psychologist. So, children, social psychology is a branch of psychology that tend to study a wide range of phenomena about human beings, how they tend to change their own perception when they form relation with other people in the society. Now, the another branch of psychology, that is cross culture and culture psychology. Cross-cultural is the study of similarity and differences in individual psychological functioning in various cultures. So basically here they're talking about that cross-culture tends to identify how culture influences human thought and behavior. Now children, if I ask you what is the meaning of culture, culture means we develop belief, values, through the culture only. We try to understand different customs through one's culture, and these customs, belief do influences our behavior. So children, culture basically state that our behavior also get affected by of which culture we are a part of. Thought, emotions, and also get influenced by the culture factors. Now, it assumes that human behavior is not only a function of human biological potential but also a product of culture. It means till now we have been talking about that human behavior is a product of biological factor, that changes that occur in human behavior, it is because of the changes that take place in individuals inside the body. But here they are talking about the changes that take place in human behavior is also due to the culture factors. For example, the children who are living in the rural areas, their sense of activities or sense of thought process would be different as compared to the children who are studying in a good culture, who are being a part of technology culture. So their set of beliefs, their set of attitude would be different from the people who are living in the rural or urban areas. So the culture factor do influences the human being in terms of thought, emotions and behavior. Now children, next branch that they have talked about is environmental psychology. Now environmental psychology studies the interaction of physical factors such as temperature, humidity, pollutions, natural disasters on human behavior. Now environmental psychology is a branch of psychology that tries to emphasize how environmental conditions tend to affect human behavior. So they have talked about the environmental conditions like climatic conditions, change in temperature, pollutions, natural disasters, cyclones, earthquakes. So all these factors tend to affect the human behavior. So environmental psychologists tend to study that environmental factors does not only affect the human beings but it also affect the human emotional state and as well as interpersonal relations with other people in the society. Now children, kindly note that if we do not respect each and every component of the environment, then the harmful consequence that has to be faced by human being only in terms of pollution, in terms of climatic conditions, and to a large extent it affects our own health. Children, as I have talked about the three branches, kindly make a note in your notebook.